In this part of our training course, we want to teach you how to draw a duct manually. Okay, for doing this, I select all the system with using left click. For hiding the levels, you can go to the view, visibility graphics, annotation categories, and uncheck the levels, and go to the REVIT links tab, and using halftone custom for the linked file. Find the level. Okay, this is good. Visibility graphics again. Uncheck the levels. Go to the REVIT links. Activate the halftone. So we have much more space now. For the selecting the link file, uncheck it. Go to the select all the file. Use filter and remove any unnecessary categories here. These ones. Duct fittings, ducts, and another one. Remove it. Mention this. Check the CFM amounts related to the rooftop units. I select it, go to the properties window. As you remember, it was 6 ton. So it equals to 2400 CFMs. Okay, nominal amount of CFM, I used 2400. This amount is very important. Check it, okay, to make sure that the export data are correct. This was the first note. Next note is the select one diffusers, and go to solutions. I go to settings, main, amounts, check this amount 9. I think it's good one. Shape is a rectangular and meter, but for branch I use the round duct. Okay, round duct tabs. Flex is good. It's okay. I select my desired one according to the solution type. We select this one. I close this second level, and in level 1 I use this option, configure the settings as I've done before, perimeter, edit layout, and move this one a little to the left. And I move it upward a little. Very good. I move it downward a little. Yellow color means an error. So we have to rectify it. So I use finish layout. I close this. As you can see, our branches are not the round one. I like to make them round. I use Ctrl Z, go to edit, solutions, perimeters, settings. I select the round duct tops. Okay. Edit. Yes. a little upward, a little to the left. After all, I use the finish. The shape has changed to the round one for the branches, okay? And we have dampers. So I want to rectify the problems. I move it to the left a little. I use the trim extend option. These are better to, it's better to change these problems. Connect these one. I extend this duct a little. We have to use cap at the end of the ducts. Our ducts in here is on the wall, so we have to move it to the up or down. I leave it alone. I check the sizes and I will move it later. I align these ones. Note that this is for the round to round shape, okay? So it's not good for round to rectangular. I try to select them all for here. I showed you the shape which you have to select, okay? A square to round duct, this is the correct one. It was the round to round. Yes. Change the direction by using this sign according to the flow of the air. And for here and here too.